Your body sends you signals. Sadly, most people ignore those silent early warning signs. 5 early warning signs of arthritis that you should not ignore. Never overlook this. The first sign you will notice is joint swelling. Usually, arthritis begins with joint swelling, especially of the fingers, the knees, the hips, and even the ankles. When your rings begin to feel tighter, your knees look slightly pulled, especially after walking. This may mean that your joints are inflamed. It's not just fat, it's not just water, it's a sign of inflammation. Just wait. At the end of this video, I will tell you what you can do to deal with these symptoms. One way to detect this is by gently pressing around your knees or fingers. Interestingly, it may feel warm and even painful. The next sign is early morning stiffness. Do your joints feel tight? Your fingers, your knees, waking up, you find it difficult to easily move your joints. In fact, for some people, it takes some minutes, even up to an hour before they can really get to enjoy their movement. That's one of the 4 signs of arthritis, because inflammation builds up overnight and your joints actually lose lubrication and then making it difficult for the early morning movement. Your joints become painful. The next sign, early warning sign of arthritis, is when you begin to notice joint pains. Joint pains, yes, this is a common sign, symptom, as the case may be. Most people actually ignore this sign and usually occurs even after rest, after activity, not even during activity. Maybe you just sat for about 20 to 30 minutes and you decide to stand up and then you begin to notice your knees aching. That's possibly arthritis creeping in. And especially if you are over 30, 35, and if you are in the elderly age group, this is a possibility as this worsens even with increasing age. 2 more signs, early warning signs of arthritis. Stay with me. By the way, if you are new here, remember to give this channel your like and subscription. That way you will be supporting the community, and interestingly, you will be becoming part of this LD health community. Thank you for the like. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the community. The 4th sign, early warning sign of arthritis, is reduction in your range of movement, or you can call it a weak grip. When you start finding it hard to bend, you find it difficult to stretch, to even open a bottle, that's not age, it's stiffness. Arthritis actually makes your joints less flexible and your muscles weaker because of inactivity and inflammation. So that's it. People tend to not want to get involved in activities because of the pain, the swelling, believing that the less of activity, the better the condition. However, there are some things you need to note when it comes to management of arthritis, and I will definitely let you know this in another video. Let me know if you are interested in this. And lastly, the 5th sign, early warning sign of arthritis, those cracking or grinding sounds. We call it crepitus. If your joints keep making grinding or cracking sounds, occasionally this can happen without pain, but when pain is attached to this, when it's associated with pain, especially your knees, that could mean the cartilage is losing protection of your bones, wearing out. Occasionally, cracking isn't dangerous, but painful cracking, frequent grinding could mean osteoarthritis. So if you are having any of these signs that I've mentioned, talking about swollen joints, stiffness of joints, painful joints, reduction in range of motion, you hear cracking, not just cracking, but painful sounds when you grind or when you make movements in your joints, then you need to see your doctor, because early diagnosis can actually prevent joint damage and even reverse inflammation before it becomes permanent. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.